It's really a nice one, especially because it's a non-invasive one. So, and you are getting some very good insight of your health, of your physical health, of your mental health, and really a nice initiative. And you are getting results also instantly. Like you're getting a feedback, wherein what are the improvement areas, what additional workouts you can do physically, what mental exercises one can do.
I think it's a great thing to do because unless your employees are healthy, physically as well as mentally, they cannot perform. And I know there are very few organizations who bother to take care of this aspect of their employees.
I think in today's work environment, it is a must. Understanding the pressure that we go through or the time that we manage. Apart from our work, wellness is something that has come to a forefront post-COVID, but it is a necessity and it should be included in every workplace so that the employees can keep a check on how wellness at work goes and why is it necessary.
So it's a very good initiative. Normally in our day-to-day life, we are not taking care of our health or maybe neglecting it due to work pressure.
It's a good initiative and can be expanded to other team members also.
So that will help us in understanding the very concept and also regularizing it and bringing about it in our lifestyle.
The one thing which I have learned is if you want to have a good team, you need to have a good yourself basically. If I know myself, my limitations and my extremes, then only I can take my team to the next.
It's like we'll be able to gauge the employee health, and if they, for example, if the health is not good, then they won't be able to work in a proper way. Their absenteeism will be there, their attrition will be there. So it will help us to gauge the employee mood, and maybe we can help the employees for the betterment in their health. It should help in increasing the productivity, and for the organization, we can say retention will be there because more personal connect with the employees.
It will be quite beneficial in the long run because if we know that wherever we are lacking in terms of our physical or mental health, if those parameters are taken care of, it'll make us stronger and more fit, and of course will help us perform better.
So, great insight and nice feedback shared.
It's necessity.
It was thought-provoking and very, very amazing